Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life on a Honda Fit. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the Select/Reset button, typically on your dashboard, and press it repeatedly until the oil life indicator appears on the display. It's important to confirm that this reading is at 0% or very low, indicating that an oil change is due and the reset is necessary. To initiate the reset, press and hold the Select/Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. Keep holding it until you observe the oil life percentage display and any maintenance codes begin to blink. This blinking indicates that the system is ready to reset. Once you see it blinking, you can release the Select/Reset button. This action prepares the system for the final confirmation step. For the final step, press and hold the Select/Reset button one more time, this time for about 5 seconds. Continue holding until the oil life display changes to 100%. This confirms that the reset is complete and the maintenance codes will disappear. Finally, turn off your vehicle's ignition to save the new oil life setting. Your Honda Fit's oil life monitor is now reset and ready for your next service interval. The Honda Maintenance Minder System is an intelligent feature designed to make vehicle maintenance easier and more efficient. It tracks various metrics like engine operating conditions and your driving habits. The system then displays a series of maintenance codes on your dashboard to let you know what specific service is required, such as an oil change or tire rotation. This ensures maintenance is performed only when necessary, saving you time and money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.